we picked up the Hyper Tough utility heater. I don't know how well this is going to work, but well, my furnace went out. We bought a little itty bitty heater for upstairs, and then I wanted one for down here because I'm in the studio a lot. And well, it's a weekend, and I'm not paying extra for an HVAC guy, tech, whatever, call out over the weekend. I'm not going to pay the extra. Why pay extra when I could just go? I mean, what was this, $30? But if you need to keep a small area warm anyway, I mean, this is what you do, right? So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so that's all you get. You get the heater. That's it. That's all there is to it. Just pull it out, plug it in. And then we can play with the buttons. For the knobs. Yeah, they're knobs. Because this blows straight out, not the other one blew around. So this is not going to be good for a big area. It's going to be good for right in front of you. Oh! This is a handle for the top. I was looking at it like when I pulled it out. I'm like, where the hell is my handle? Right here. There you go, get a driver so we can drive those in. Okay, so there's two holes at the top here for the screws right there and right here. And then the handle just lines up on top of those holes. We'll take the screws. And I'm using the wrong tool. But I don't know where my driver went. I thought I saw it earlier, but no, I didn't. As long as you're quick, you can use an impact. Don't use an impact. Bad. Very bad. Very bad. Too far. That's okay, we didn't hurt anything. It just said. Alright, so handle's on. Nice. Now we can move it around a little bit easier. Which I am worried about this. Although when we get it down on the ground, it'll be fine because it's not going to touch. But I'm worried about it right now because we're turning it on. Alright, so let's turn it on low. Just because I got a lot of stuff plugged in down here. I need to run electric to get... Oh, that's warm already. Oh, nice. I'm not going to turn this on high down here. I'm running too much power down here to turn on high. I think it's 1500 watt on high. I think it's 700 watt on low. Oh, 1300 watt on low. Ew. And 1500 watt on high. So we might flip a breaker. We have a safety breaker right around the corner. So if we flip it, we flip it. We got to start the dryer here in a little bit. So we're going to have to turn this off because sometimes we flip the breaker with the dryer running. Because I don't know why, but it's attached to these lights. Ooh, that is nice and warm. Is that turned? That is turned all the way up. So ooh, awesome. Awesome. That'll definitely increase the heat down here quite a bit, which incidentally will help increase the heat upstairs. Because down here is where the cold air return is, which is open. So yeah, since my heater's just the fan's running, it's not blowing any heat. It's just blowing cold air. So this will warm the temperature up down here, which will push warmer air through the cold air and return, and then warmer air upstairs. Actually starting to sweat. I am sitting on the side, so alright. But ooh, that feels good.